Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Gixxer SF Smart Suzuki Gixxer SF. Wow, nice look, nice feeling of sporty feeling. Here you can see the headlamps, completely LEDs of headlight. So there are 3 LEDs now on when the engine switch is on. So 3 LEDs are on, and when your ignition is on, so completely full LEDs on headlight. I like the awesome design, very focused. My eyes are blinking now. So coming to the front, here you can see the visor, very small but gives some result of visor. This is 150cc Gixxer SF. So now it is in black color, nice look. So there you can see completely outlook of engine. ABS, it is a single channel ABS, Suzuki logo here, front mudguard. So this is the tire profile, front tire MRF tires, and the profile of the tire is 180 17 inches tires. These are 17 inches tires at the front, and disc size is 260 of disc size by Brake Disc company has given. These are the telescopic shock absorbers front. Nice performance of shock absorbers. There you can see in detail of horn. Here you can see the side indicators, nice position, nice good design. But disappointing me is there are no LEDs on indicators, only a bulbs. So this is the front look of Suzuki Gixxer SF. It's a 150cc. I have already said many times. This is a side profile of Gixxer. Nice finishing, nice cross cuttings, and here you can see Gixxer SF badge and matic finishing. Stickering is very nice on this vehicle. Not so what we call a busy design, but a unique design. And seat position is also very nice. Handlebars position is also very nice. Here you can see the engine, 850 ml Suzuki. So written on this engine, nice matic finishing engine. Suzuki detail on here, stickering. So black finish is very awesome on this color. Suzuki Gixxer SF. It's a completely competition to the Yamaha R15, the Honda CBR. So nice in the market placement. So coming to here detail, here you can see the foot pegs of front. Here you can see the rear brake pedal. On silencer, it also gets a design of Gixxer, chrome treatment on silencer. So here you can see the rear brake oil, nice finishing, nice look. Here you can see the single monopoly shock absorber rear. It's a 7-way adjustable shock absorber. Nice performance of shock absorbers. There is completely closed and packed of rear. So here you can see tire of the rear, MRF tires, and rear profile is 140 60 17 inches tires, both as 17 inches tires on this vehicle. Here you can see the 160 of disc brake. Coming to the rear, there you can see the LED tail lamp, nice DRL on LED tail light. So here you can see the detail finishing, cross cutting is very, but design is looking awesome, I can say, very punchy. And here you can see the dummy. So this is a rear mudguard, nice look. I like the design of this vehicle. Coming to the other side, here you can see the split seats of front seat and driving position seat, nice and nice, comfortable, nice design. So there you can see side guard, open chain vehicle. So there you can see, and these are the gears of 5-speed manual transmission. And on the upside here you can see BS6 logo stickering here, fuel lid. It is a 12-liter capacity of fuel tank. Coming to the petrol tank, here you can see Suzuki logo, nice Suzuki logo, S shape, chrome finishing. So coming to the handlebars, on the left side, horn is decent, indicators, high beam and low beam, pass light, slippery clutch. Here you can see the engine kill switch, startup button. So coming to the instrument cluster, full pipe 188 speed go, and gear indication is here, RPM meter is here, digital of speedometer is here, odometer is here, trip A, trip B, and here you can see fuel indication, low fuel indication. Now it is coming. So trip A, trip B, kilometers per liter, odometer. And there you can see adjustable of completely digital instrument cluster on this vehicle. Here is a key placement. So on detail here you can see nice finishing, chrome treatment on shock absorbers, front telescopic shock absorber, and nice covering. So front brake oil, handlebars are somehow small, I can say. So side view mirrors are very good design, unique design, and also good view. So overall nice vehicle, nice performance, punchy vehicle, nice design, unique design. I like the one thing is pillion seat is not so high and not so small, medium. So as Gixxer planned that how the Indians want the pillion seat and how family vehicles. So nice finishing, nice touch, nice paint color, smooth finishing. Here you can see in detail Suzuki Eco Performance SEP, nice. And overall shock absorber of the rear is a red retro finishing red, unique and attractive look of the shock absorber. There you can see. Here you can see Suzuki test drive sticker again, and very nice, very unique design, completely competition to the Yamaha R15. I can say better than that. So this is a walk around video of Gixxer SF. So let's go to test drive and see. So guys, first is first, let's see the engine sound. So very silent and refined engine. Now I'm in first gear. Second gear. So here you can see the RPM indication, 50 speed at the second gear. Very good, it is not disappointing me. The turning radius is somewhat difficult, I can say. When you're pressing the brakes, the weight is completely on the handlebars. I don't know why it is. So gate shifting is not so fast, not so late, nice. And engine performance is also nice. So let's turn here and see. Once I can give the throttle. Second gear 60 at 7,500 RPM. Third gear 7,500 RPM at 70. Fourth gear 7,500 RPM at 80 speed. Easily it is touching 80 speed. Nice performance. 155cc at 13.4 bhp of power at 8,000 RPM. And 13.8 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM as Suzuki showroom Suzuki gave to this. So the capacity of fuel is 12 liters and 45 kilometers per liter. So nice punchy and performance. Brakes are awesome performing, both the disc brakes. It has only a single channel ABS, somehow missing to the rear channel ABS, disappointing me. Price segment is also nice. It is completely competition to the Yamaha R15, I can say. Everything is nice. Suzuki Gixxer SF has nice performance, nice refinable engine at the BS6. So very good torque, and at the mid-range it is very nice, but somewhat lacking to the, when RPM meter is raving to the above 5,000 RPM, the engine is somehow sound is big and somewhat lagging of pickup, because it is 155cc at 13.4 bhp of power at 8,000 RPM, because it will be. So it also, if you want a speed to pick up and performance more, you can go to 250cc in this Gixxer SF. So I will be review that also next. So this is 155cc and performance is very nice. Position is also very nice, I can say. Pillion seat is, I like the pillion position, and driving position is also very nice, but somehow handlebars are somehow close. It should be wide. That's okay, not so big issue for that. And clutch is some easier side, and the only some disappointing me is gear sound somehow high. So, and also one more point is, when you are braking, the complete weight of the vehicle is on the shock absorber's front, telescopic shock absorber. So nice performance. Overall I can give 10 out of 7 to this vehicle rating, as per my opinion. So the looks are awesome, I can say. I like the impression of looks. I am very impressed of looks. And driving position is not so lacking at the front, nice position. There will be no back pain, I can say, on this long drive of this vehicle. the turning radius somehow high, so because of weight on the handles, so turning radius somehow long, I can say. So easily we can it is performing very nice. Easily we can drive in street rides, metropolitan cities, traffic. There is no problem in that. So overall it is not disappointing me. So brakes are also good. Suspension is very nice. Front has telescopic shock absorber, rear has a single monopoly shock absorber. Rear performance is very nice shock absorber. Rear shock absorber has very good performance. The mileage is also good, 45 kilometers per liter. So again, let's give a throttle. First gear 30 speed at 4500 rpm. Second gear 4500 rpm at 40 speed. Third gear 5000 rpm at 50 speed. Turning radius somehow not so good, I can say, but overall performance is nice. I am impressed a lot. 155cc it is good performing, and ground clearance is also nice. Nice refined engine. Fuel injection on this vehicle. This is single cylinder engine, and it has also a fuel injection so that it gives a better mileage in BS6 and less pollution. I like that. And vibrations on side view mirrors, we can see it's not so high, slightly. So overall performance is very nice. Price is on road Hyderabad is 1,30,000. So better price at 155cc, I can say, as compared to other bikes competition in the market, Honda, Yamaha, etc. So that's it guys in this video. Nice of this Gixxer SF. So if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So if you want to buy Gixxer SF 155cc, please visit showroom near Y Junction at Suzuki showroom. So you get the best offer. So thank you guys.